All right, well, in other news, according to the American Society for Quality, these are good times right now for those of us in this little quality industry of ours. 3 in a row, salaries rise again for quality professionals is the name of this article that appeared last month on the ASQ website. And we linked out to the piece in Tuesday's issue of the Quality Digest newsletter. And the headline takeaway here is that for the 3rd consecutive year, as indicated in the title of the piece, average salaries grew for quality professionals in the United States. In 2017, the increase was 1.5%, bringing the average salary to a cool $93,036 a year.
Wow.
Which leaves me asking all of you a question.
What am I doing here? That's more than we both make.
I was going to say, brother, can you spare a couple of $1,000 bucks?
No
but
kidding.
Dirk felt like you wanted to step on my line.
Sorry about that.
Dirk, you know?
Yeah,
what am I going to do with you, Dirk?
So 1.3%, so basically
1.5% increase, yes.
So basically a little faster than cost of living.
Than cost of living, yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, $93,000 a year is not
No, it's not.
not too bad, not too shabby. And now 2017 marked the 31st year that ASQ conducted this salary survey of its members. And as usual, the report contains some really interesting little details. And first and foremost, the one that I picked out and that was picked out in the story was, despite the occasional, sometimes more than occasional arguments that one hears about the efficacy of Six Sigma as an actual improvement methodology, there's no question at all that training for your belt is a pretty good move for your career as an individual. Consider that quality professionals in the U.S. who have completed at least one level of Six Sigma training make an average of nearly $18,000 a year more annually. $18,000 a year more annually.
Yeah, kind of goes without saying, doesn't it?
Not a Six Sigma black belt here. $18,000 more than those without. So for those that have the most extensive training in this realm, master black belts, they earn an average of more than $142,000 a year, according to the survey, which is not too bad. That's an average, not a median. It's an average.
That means somebody's making like $200,000.
There's a lot of people that are making a lot of money out there with master black belts. Now, the ASQ salary survey was completed by more than 5,800 quality professionals, pretty good data set. And they were within a wide variety of sectors, and more than 95% of those that responded were regular full-time employees, but there were also those that were self-employed or retired. There were part-time workers or people that were just unemployed as well, who were part of the pool of respondents. So for more information, you can visit online at www.asq.org.